in the Old Testament or New Testament? 1, 2, 3, go! So, the nagstay, disqualified ata. Nagbayad kayo mot nga ag-answer. So, 1, 2, 3, jump nga dagos. Disqualified agijay. Kanya nag-jump nga dagos. Kasi tutulad kayo ti answers. So, you form a line.
Wow!
Sige, you form a line. Next step kayo dyan, line ni naramit ni mother, ni auntie. Okay? So, everybody. So, the Proverbs get where? Can the girls vacate day con? JT, chair si Jay mo, yun na lang dito gawan nyo dito eh. So, the Proverbs get in what? The Old Testament. So, the Proverbs get makita in the Old Testament. So, let's have another name. Kanin nga trial dito yung ma-out on Jai nga aglag to. By the count of 3, kat aglag to kayo. O, sige, let's have the book, Old Testament, New Testament. So, saan mababasa yung libro ni Acts? O, dyan nga naglag to, out na. So, the book of Acts is found in the New Testament. So, the Acts kat nag-ijay pa nag-reach out unto ministers ijay out of other parts of the world. Okay? The work of the Holy Spirit. So, we have talo nga saling pusa here. So, okay, you go back to your line. So, the book of Acts is in the New Testament. Next. So, next is the book of story. The book of Genesis. Oops, then nga naglag to. Awan, disqualified. So, the book of Genesis, you're out na. The book of Genesis is the first book in the Bible. It is found in the Old Testament. So, we have talo yata nga nabati. Talo ba? Or manong? Pianist, okay? So, da kayo nabati. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Move forward, move forward. Move forward. Oh, so, we have tatlong saling pusa here. Okay. Sige, this is the Old Testament, New Testament. How about the book of Revelations? Oh, you're copying. You're obvious na. Sige. Don't copy. Okay, sige. Okay lang. Sige, pero I can see na yung wag copying, ha? So, the book of Revelation is in the
New Testament.
New Testament. It's the last book in the Bible. Next, I will give a name. Name ulit tayo. Old Testament or New Testament? O sige. You go into the straight line muna ulit. Yan. So, hindi ko makita yung straight. So, you jump 1, 2, 3. Agad ha when I tell the name. So, how about, where can you read the story of Stephen? Old or New Testament? Go! Ay! You're looking, ang kita talaga dyan likod. Oh, how about you, Clarence? Saan ka mo naglagto? Saan kayo mo naglagto? You're still on the line. So, let's have Clarence. Sorry. Okay. So, you jump. Or you go into the straight line. So, Stephen. You know Stephen?
He got martyred.
Oh yeah, diba? Stephen is a very powerful follower ni Jesus Christ, but he died defending his faith. Next. Okay. So walang copying, no looking, walang titingin sa likod. Sige, for this, let's have, how about the book of, this is book na siya. So, First Kings, go! So, the Kings, First Kings, or kings is found in the Old Testament. So, mababasa yan yung pag-rule ng mga kings instead of ayan, mga priests. Okay? Out of these three, sige na nga, names. I will give you a name. You tell me if you're Old Testament or New Testament. So, mga ilang taon na sila? How old are you? What's your name and how old are you?
Hugh, and I'm 14 years old.
My name is Fender and I'm 12.
Kenneth Miller, I'm 16.
Okay. Sino pa ang boys? So, wala na. So, let's have the teens naman do a challenge. Ano ba? Okay. So, this naman, name ulit. Okay, sige. Ako na ubusan ng names, So, dito kami natalo yung adults group. So, old or new, the prophet Anna. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, so you're guessing or you know?
I know.
You know or you're guessing?
I know.
Okay, so the prophet Anna is in the New Testament. So, who is prophet Anna?
As far as I remember, she is the mother of John the Baptist.
No. She's not.